Ethereum cost really equivalent to $1,767.28 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. The present exchange cost range, $1,749.05 $1,781.72 in an unobtrusive way. The earlier day close, $1,775.76 in a truly significant way. The change was 8.48, 0.48%, extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Opposite rate, USD to ETH, which essentially is very critical. Ethereum value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month in a very enormous manner. Ethereum cost forecast on Tuesday. Walk, 28, cost $1,808, especially greatest 1935, truly least 1681 in a genuinely significant way. Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday. Walk, 29, cost $1,800, genuinely greatest 1926, certainly least 1674 amazingly. Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday. Walk, 30, cost $1,735, lovely most extreme 1856, certainly least 1614 incredibly. Ethereum figure on Friday. Walk, 31, cost $1,813, for the most part greatest 1940, kind of least 1686 in a sort of significant manner. In multi-week Ethereum cost expectation on Monday. April, 3, cost $1,744, genuinely most extreme 1866, exceptionally least 1622 in a by and large significant manner. Ethereum gauge on Tuesday. April, 4, cost $1,813, kind of greatest 1940, beautiful least 1686, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday. April, 5, cost $1,766, essentially greatest 1890, especially least 1642, or so they by and large thought. Ethereum conjecture on Thursday. April, 6, cost $1,788, really most extreme 1913. By and large least 1663, which sort of is very huge. Ethereum cost forecast on Friday. April, 7, cost $1,758, most extreme 1881, by and large least 1635 in an especially huge manner. In about 14 days Ethereum figure on Monday. April, 10, cost $1,880, fundamentally greatest 2012, in every way that really matters, least 1748. Or so they most certainly thought. Ethereum cost forecast on Tuesday. April, 11, cost $1,904, genuinely most extreme 2037, by and large least 1771 in an unobtrusive manner. Ethereum gauge on Wednesday. April, 12, cost $1,849, sort of most extreme 1978, certainly least 1720 in a very significant way. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday. April, 13, cost $1,876, most certainly greatest 2007, truly least 1745 amazingly. Ethereum figure on Friday. April, 14, cost $1,982, extremely greatest 2121, all things considered, least 1843 in an especially significant way. In 3 weeks Ethereum cost expectation on Monday. April, 17, cost $2,137, kind of greatest 2287, truly least 1987, which generally is genuinely huge. Ethereum figure on Tuesday. April, 18, cost $2,184, essentially greatest 2337, least 2031, or so they really thought. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday. April, 19, cost $2,212, sort of most extreme 2367, lovely least 2057, which especially is genuinely critical. Ethereum conjecture on Thursday. April, 20, cost $2,054, extremely greatest 2198, most certainly least 1910, showing how Ethereum estimate on Wednesday. Walk, 29, cost $1,800, exceptionally greatest 1926, least 1674, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday. April, 21, cost $2,012, certainly most extreme 2153, really least 1871. In about a month Ethereum figure on Monday. April, 24, cost $2,014, sort of most extreme 2155, genuinely least 1873. So in about 14 days Ethereum conjecture on Monday. April, 10, cost $1,880, sort of greatest 2012, kind of least 1748 in a genuinely enormous manner. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday. April, 25, cost $2,011, certainly most extreme 2152, all things considered, least 1870, showing how Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday. April, 19, cost $2,212, especially greatest 2367, really least 2057 and in every practical sense, large way. Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday. April, 26, cost $2,008, most extreme 2149, exceptionally least 1867, in opposition to prevalent thinking. USD to ETH conversion scale in every way that really matters, equivalent to 0.5658 coins per 1,000 bucks in an extremely significant manner. Today, S reach 0.5613 minus 0.5717. The past day, S nearby 0.5631, or so they most certainly thought. Change for now plus 0.0027, plus 0.48%, which basically is genuinely critical. USD to ETH cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future and month, showing how today, S reach 0.5613 minus 0.5717, which truly is genuinely critical. Dollar to Ethereum figure on Tuesday. Walk 28, cost 0.553 coins, essentially most extreme 0.595, truly least 0.517, which is very critical. USD to ETH expectation on Wednesday. Walk 29, cost 0.556 coins, exceptionally greatest 0.597, all things considered, least 0.519 in a huge way. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture on Thursday. Walk 30, cost 0.576 coins, beautiful greatest 0.620, genuinely least 0.539, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. USD to ETH expectation on Friday. Walk 31, cost 0.552 coins, by and large greatest 0.593, especially least 0.515. So Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday. Walk 29, cost 18 bucks, most extreme 1926, sort of least 1674, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. In multi-week dollar to Ethereum gauge on Monday. April 3, cost 0.573 coins. In every way that really matters, greatest 0.617, kind of least 0.536. Showing how today, S exchanged cost range 1,749.05 1,781.72, or so they for the most part thought. USD to ETH expectation on Tuesday. April 4, cost 0.552 coins, sort of greatest 0.593, essentially least 0.515 in an especially enormous way. Dollar to Ethereum figure on Wednesday. April 5, cost 0.566 coins, truly greatest 0.609, truly least 0.529, or so they really thought. USD to ETH expectation on Thursday. April 6, cost 0.559 coins, really greatest 0.601, sort of least 0.523, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dollar to Ethereum estimate on Friday. April 7, cost 0.569 coins, really most extreme 0.612, truly least 0.532, or so they by and large thought. In about 14 days USD to ETH forecast on Monday. April 10, cost 0.532 coins, really greatest 0.572, for the most part least 0.497, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Dollar to Ethereum gauge on Tuesday. April 11, cost 0.525 coins, lovely greatest 0.565, kind of least 0.491 in an unobtrusive way. USD to ETH expectation on